So this way that you can create a different arrays or vectors into the MATLABs, right? So so if you have any queries that different function that how you can create into MATLAB, or how you can use these symbolic math functions, so you can ask you can unmute yourself and can ask questions. So this is from my side. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Let me move forward there. Any questions?
Participants, you can unmute your mic and you can ask the queries.
Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Or
Thank
at
you.
least you can type your questions in the chat box if you're not able to unmute your mic. Uh, please do that.
Accessing element matrix and cell arrays, are they same or different? So this is question that asking is accessing element of matrix and cell arrays, are they same? So these are same elements that I used it. So I just assigned it again using the same variable that is in M.
No, sir. We use to access the elements like with subscript numbers, right? So 1, 2, 2, 1 like that. So is that the same for cell arrays, or should we have a different syntax for accessing elements in cell arrays?
This way, right? So this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
this is the cell array. Yeah, you
Yeah.
if you want to create a cell array, that you can use this curly braces. So this is the syntax, or you
If
can
you
also
want to
find out like,
extract that p means, what should I do, sir?
sorry.
If I want to extract that character capital B, so what? How will I go ahead and extract that second element from the cell array?
Or you can also get you can also give like this cell array M, use this M array, okay, and use this B like indexing. You can use the indexing. So this is second column, okay. So give the name of that. Use this M variable and give the indexing. So this is on the second column. So give the name of the second column. Then you can access this B name, right? Using some indexing, right?
Yes, yes, sir.